showered in weeks.
Okay.
I have scabs all over my crotch from sweat. I have rash there.
Okay.
I'm hungry, I'm tired.
Okay. Unfortunately, we as a hotel cannot receive you as a guest unless you're able to pay for the stay in advance.
I don't think that's true though.
It is true.
No, it isn't.
I'm telling you it's true. And
It's
therefore
not true.
Okay.
It's not true.
Well, at this point, then I'm going to ask you to leave the property based
Okay,
upon
we have
Nevada
no
Revised
IDs.
Statute 207.200. You're not trespassing on this property because you cannot pay for your stay.
No, you got it.
All right.
It's unbelievable to me how you don't notice the things that happen in Hungary.
Well, have a great day.
What's your name?
I'm Steve.
Last name?
Dennis.
Steve Dennis.
Yes, 2 first names.
You own this?
I don't own it.
Steve Dennis.
Yep.
Have a good evening.
You as well.